Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Term 2, class 3, lesson 1, the colorful north. How many directions are there? Let us see. There are 4 directions. What are they? North, south, east and west. Now we are going to see about north side. There are many big cities in India. In this lesson, we are going to see about few cities in North Indians. That north side. First we are going to see Delhi. Delhi is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. River Yamuna. The official of Delhi is National Capital Territory of Delhi. National Capital Territory. That means NCT. The Delhi capital of National Capital Territory. NCT. A New Delhi capital of India. New Delhi capital of India. So, Delhi is the capital of NCT. New Delhi is the capital of India. There are 2 types of Delhi. There are 2 parts of Delhi. One is Old Delhi. Another one is New Delhi. See, Old Delhi, which was the capital of a Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, unnamed Shah Jahan. Mughal Emperor named Shah Jahan. And New Delhi, which was planned by Sir Edwin Lutyens. See, Old Delhi, capital of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. New Delhi, Sir Edwin Lutyens. So, 2 parts of Delhi. One is Old Delhi, another one is New Delhi. Old Delhi, Mughal Emperor named was Shah Jahan. New Delhi, planned by Sir Edwin Lutyens. We saw Old Delhi and New Delhi. Delhi shares its borders. Uttar Pradesh. Delhi shares its borders Uttar Pradesh in the east side, and with Haryana and on other 3 sides. Haryana on the other 3 sides. So, we saw Delhi, Old Delhi and New Delhi. Now, we are going to see about climate. In Delhi climate, it is very hot in summer. And it is very cold in winter. So, Delhi climate, it is very hot in summer, cold in winter. hot and dry winds called Lu. So hot and dry winds called Lu. Lu blow in May and June. Lu blow May and June. So it is very hot in summer, cold in winter. It is blow Lu in May and June. In Delhi, people, we are going to see about Delhi people. In Delhi, people speak different languages because they are work and live here. So many people are there in Delhi. Men wear trousers and shirts. Women wear salwar kameez, jeans, saris and other dresses. So men wear trousers and shirts, women wear salwar kameez, jeans, saris and other dresses. So next we are going to see about DTC. That means Delhi Transport Corporation. Transport. Transport, we are going to see about transport. DTC, Delhi Transport Corporation operates thousands of buses. Lakhs of people travel by metro. Metro is the pride of Delhi. Next, we are going to see about tourist place. Now, we are going to see about tourist attraction place. Tourist places. So many monuments are there in New Delhi. So, few things we are going to see about Red Fort, India Gate, and Kutupinar. So it is very interesting places to see. To receive our online classes, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.